The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors of a sleeker, more premium version started circulating. But what does this mean for the future of foldable tech? Let's dive in and find out. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim was initially teased as a more streamlined alternative to the standard model. However, with Google and Honor unveiling their own thinner foldable devices, Samsung had to rethink its strategy. Say hello to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, a title that better reflects the device's features. But what makes this version so special? And how does it compare to its competitors? Samsung's foldable devices have always been about pushing the boundaries of innovation. But with the Special Edition, they're taking it to the next level. With a more refined design and potentially upgraded camera system, this device is set to impress. While the Special Edition moniker sounds promising, it's possible that this device may not be as unique as we think. In fact, it could simply be the version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that Samsung should have launched from the start. But recent leaks from Evan Blass on X suggest some exciting developments. Although his account is currently private, the leaks indicate a slightly more streamlined design and an enhanced rear camera system. This camera upgrade could be a major game-changer. Currently, no foldable device in North America can rival the camera systems of flagship models. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, Galaxy Z Fold 6, and OnePlus Open all fall short in this department. But with the Special Edition, here are high hopes for the camera capabilities of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. The standard Fold 6 has camera components from the Galaxy S24, which are adequate for everyday photography, but can't compare to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and other competing foldable devices. Recent insights from Blass suggest that the Special Edition may replace the 50-megapixel main camera with a 200-megapixel sensor. This upgrade echoes rumors of a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra variant. And this new sensor may offer 2x optical zoom and could be the same ISOCELL HP3 camera featured in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, it's uncertain whether the Special Edition will also upgrade its telephoto and ultrawide camera options. If the Special Edition has a 200-megapixel main camera, this upgrade would be more compelling than the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim branding. Samsung's upcoming foldable device has been making waves with its larger screen size, but the question remains, will it be achieved by expanding horizontally or vertically? Competing devices like the OnePlus Open and Pixel 9 Pro Fold are moving towards a more rectangular display design. But the Fold 6 Special Edition is focusing on a sleeker profile, making it unlikely to feature an under-display fingerprint scanner. Recent reports suggest that the Fold 6 Special Edition will measure 11.5 mm when folded, making it slimmer than the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. Ross Young's recent response hints that Samsung may need to explore alternative solutions to integrate S Pen support into the Z Fold Special Edition. This raises questions about how Samsung will enable S Pen functionality on this new foldable. Despite this, it still lags behind the Honor Magic V3 and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Midroll. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition may outperform the standard model, but the differences highlight how Samsung is trailing in foldable technology. Neither the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 nor the anticipated Special Edition is likely to compete with the leading foldables from brands like Honor and Vivo.